Hey, what's going on, everybody? Abe, the Data Strangler here, going over the second part of my video where or second part of the series where going over how I use ChatGPT and AI to duplicate adding these sheets based on my certain requirements. So if you watch my first video using Power Automate, I was able to use it, but not entirely correctly. So I used my friend ChatGPT for some assistance. I'm going to show the prompts here. So I just went through a couple different iterations. Can you give me a Python code that will copy a sheet in Excel for a workbook for a certain amount of times? It gave me the code to put in using a pip install OpenPI Excel. And then it just gives, and I had to iterate a couple times, with this code. So just make sure I got it right. I gave it an example to make sure to give it increments by one. And then sometimes the Python doesn't give you, or ChatGPT doesn't give you exactly what you're looking for. So always make sure to ask the full code. So then what ended up being created was a Python function to copy the sheets. And then it did all that. It gave me this example here. It looks like I had some errors with the code. Yep, using this raw string was more recommended. And I was getting some errors, so I had to just keep rebugging it or keep asking it and prompting it. And then I gave it some more recommendations, like my sheets are match stats 1, match stats results. It thanked me for my clarification. I checked for this, and then I fixed it in the function. I asked for the new code right here, and it provided it for me, and it gave me right here. So then I had to do some more prompting to make sure I got it right. And then the final fix, it was right here, copying the sheets, and just did some final prompting, just going through the code here, giving me examples. And I went through some more verification as a code. Looks like I did a lot. And just to go through the end right here when I got the final code. Yep, here's the final code right here. Just going through all this Python code that I don't understand. Then I just asked for clarification. So how does this run? Which I'll just show you right here. So this is the function. Oh, no, this is the function for Python right here that I had it all right out. So essentially, I don't need to touch this code at all. All I need to do is come here, and it's going to call this function. It's going to give me my output path, and then I'm just going to press play. And it did its thing. Confirmation that it worked. Let me open that. And here's my test file. I'm going to open that up real quick. Now it worked pretty good. If you remember from my first video, I had the space in the hyphen and the number, which worked fine. So, but the thing that I really need for each page is my data validation. So the Python method works, but not entirely. So yeah, so I'll have another video showing how I got it perfectly using VBA. Thanks for watching.